Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna tell you top 5 mascaras. So I have created this series. As you know, I have loaded a couple of videos on this series. So today I'm gonna do 5 best mascaras. Honestly, if I tell you, I only use drugstore mascaras. I have 10 or 12, but all are from drugstore because they are affordable, and anyways you have to wash your mascaras every 6 months, so it is better to use a drugstore mascara. And usually for every eye looks, whenever I do an eye look, I use a false eyelashes. So I just want something to just coat my eyelashes, and then I always use false eyelashes, so I don't mind using drugstore ones. Honestly, Maybelline, Essence, L'Oreal has amazing mascara, so I think you don't need to buy high-end ones. So today I'm gonna tell you all about that. It's gonna be a very quick video. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. Share this video, share my channel with your friends and family so they can also see my videos and support me. And the links to all these mascaras will be there in the description below, so just check it out if you want. And yeah, let's just start the video. Firstly, I'll tell you about the Essence mascara. So this is the Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour lash extension mascara. As you can see, it is kind of clumped because it is about to go in the bin. So if you can see the bristles, so it really lengthens your eyelashes well, and it even gives you volume. Honestly, this is I think for 15 dirhams in Dubai, so I think it is very affordable. And now even lifestyle carries essence you would only get in pharmacies and or maybe online if you could find it, but now even lifestyle carries it, so I think you should check out. They have a couple of good mascaras by I actually love this one. They have two kinds, one is pink bottle and one is purple, but I think you should go with the purple one. And as you can see, it is written lash extension mascara, lengthening fibers. So it has fibers, it will lengthen your eyelashes as well as give good volume. So it is a really good mascara. So in US it is for $4.99, and here in Dubai it is for 15 dirhams, so it is very cheap. I think you should grab Essence mascara because they are really good, and it would give you good volume and lengthen your eyelashes as well. So going on to a L'Oreal one, I have only one. So this is the L'Oreal False Lash into Fiber. So there are two sides. One side has the mascara, normal mascara, and the other side has fibers in it. There are a lot of fibers in it, so it gives you a lot of volume. So firstly you have to do one coat of mascara, then wait for just few seconds and then coat it with the fiber side, and it gives you beautiful volume. And I think just curl your lashes before doing your mascara, so it would give you a really nice effect on your eyelashes, and you don't need to use false eyelashes also. It is so good, and usually I use these when I am going out because I don't use false eyelashes when I'm going out anywhere. I just use a mascara, and all these ones I really use it every day. Honestly, these are all which I use every day, so that is why I'm telling you. And I usually use the waterproof one because if you love a good thick eyelashes, if you love a good lengthening lashes, I think it is a really good mascara. And it is here in Dubai it is for 89 or 79 dirhams, and in US it is for $11.95 or 75 cents. Then going on to Maybelline has a lot of mascaras. I must tell you, I am a fan of Maybelline mascaras. Don't get me wrong, even the L'Oreal ones are really good, but I haven't found the Lash Paradise here. I don't know why, somehow they are not available here. And they have the new one, is this L'Oreal in this bottle, but I haven't still opened it yet, so when I open it I will surely update you about that. So going on to Maybelline mascara, I have a couple of those. Firstly, we have the Lash Sensational mascara. This is a cult beauty mascara, everyone loves this mascara. So as you can see, this is the bristle. One side is bigger and the other side is a bit smaller. So the side which is bigger, it can really coat your eyelashes really well. Usually I don't use these type of mascaras for my lower lash line. I have a different one for my lower lash line because somehow I don't know, it seems a bit big for my eyelashes, and this gives you a really nice volume. Every Maybelline mascara gives you volume. That is the good thing about it. I'm not into more of lengthening, I'm more into volume, so it gives you a really beautiful volume and it gives you a fan effect. So these bristles really separate every eyelashes and they coat it really well, and yeah, it is a pretty good mascara. So here in Dubai it is for 73 to 75 dirhams, and in US it is for $9.99. Almost here the mascaras are in the range of 70 to 80 dirhams depending upon what the brand is. I'm talking about Drugstore, and the high-end ones are mostly above 100 to 150 dirhams, or even above that depending on what brand it is. Now going on to the Colossal Big Shot mascara. This has a very big wand, but it is very good and I really love it, and it really coats each and every eyelashes very well, and I use this for my lower lash line because it fits really well and I don't get any smudging. And as you can see, even this is Big Shot mascara, so it will give you extreme volume to your eyelashes, which is really good, which everyone wants. Not everyone is a big fan of false lashes every day, because using false lashes every day, it will make your eyelashes fall off because you use a lot of glue on that. So yeah, it is better to use a mascara on every day. And all these eyelashes are jet black. I don't use there are usually 2 or 3 options in black, and I use the blackest black because blackest black is obviously better than the other black, so I use the blackest black one. So here in Dubai it is for 72 or 60 dirhams to 60 to 70 dirhams depending on where you are buying, from which store or online where you are buying. And in US it is for around $9.5, so just keep that in mind. And even one coat will give you enough volume. Usually I go with 2 or 3 coats depending upon the volume that I want, but this honestly gives you good volume in just one coat. Then going on to the Maybelline Falsies mascara. This is a very old mascara. I mean not old in the sense that I'm using it, but old that it has come out few years back. But this is a very good mascara and I usually use this for my lower lash line. I'll show you the wand of it. It is kind of weird. So this really hugs all my eyelashes individually, and now I'll again show you a trick how to remove this, so just wait for a while. So anyway, so this hugs your each and every eyelashes really well. It is a push-up mascara, so you can use it on the top eyelashes as well, and it will push each and every eyelash, and it will give you a good, it won't give you a lot of volume, it gives you more of, it will lengthen your eyelashes, it won't give you any volume. So that is why I don't like to use it on my top lashes, and I use it for my lower lash line only. And it also lifts your eyelashes, but somehow I seriously don't love it for my top lashes. I love it more for my bottom lashes. Sometimes if I'm not interested in that much of volume, I use it on my top lashes as well. So in US it is for $10.49, and here in Dubai it might not be available, I'm not sure, but I think on maybe Amazon or Lifestyle, I am not sure whether it is available, but I think maybe on Amazon you can find it. It might be for around that same price, 50, 60, 70 dirhams. So if you want, you can check it out. So I'm just waiting for it to dry, otherwise it will smudge. If you try to remove it when it is wet, it is gonna smudge all over your face. So just wait a minute and let it dry, and we can just remove it very easily without actually spoiling your makeup. So actually guys, these are all the mascaras which I use actually almost every day. I mean, I use mascara before doing my false lashes, but I use these, and whenever I'm going out I prefer to use a waterproof mascara because it is so hot here in Dubai, so it is better. Even if I walk 2 minutes out of my house, it is so hot. Not now, it is not hot now, but still during summer season it is damn hot. Your makeup will melt and your mascara will melt, and there will be all mascara on your lower lash line, so just keep that in mind. So I'm just taking a small spoolie and it is gone. So just wait a couple of seconds for it to dry, and then do this trick. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what mascaras you like, what type, and which brand do you prefer for mascaras, high-end, drugstore, and which brand do you prefer. So let me know in the comments below, and please guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell if you are interested to see this face all the time. Please do subscribe, and yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.